Service Champions built one of the most dominant residential HVAC operations in California, a 9-figure machine, and the foundation was Google Maps. Here's how. Multiple Google business profiles, each one dropped in a different part of the city, every single loaded with reviews. So when someone on the north side searches HVAC near me, Service Champions shows up. South side searches, they show up there too. East, west, downtown, doesn't matter where you are in that market, they're there. And it's no secret tactic. Google rewards proximity, full stop. More profiles across more of the city means more searches, more calls, more installs. That's what 9 figures looks like on Google Maps, with smart positioning and a crap ton of profiles. Book a free audit below and we'll set that exact system up for your business.